Okay, we got Hugo here. He's 3 years old, Shepherd Mix, and he's trying to get his doggy biscuit. Okay, he's on the euthanasia list for November the 28th, and he needs someone to come up here and save him. So give me my doggy biscuit.
Right here, take it.
Good boy.
Take it and be happy.
Is that good? Is it good? Is that a good biscuit? He's strong and energetic. He was okay around the cats, but I think he's kind of cautious. Maybe not too sure about him.
I don't have another biscuit. You want another one?
You want another one? Huh?